Yo, what's up guys, Dan Brothers here. I'm working on getting
Welcome back to another video. We are going to start exploring.
Thank you.
Guys, wait. Come over here.
I'm working on an intro and an outro.
So, here, right?
Yeah, it's unbreakable.
Go.
I hear drink. And actually, it's unbreakable crate, look.
Here, I'll hop on it.
You can barely see it. Yeah, there you go. You can barely see it, but
Unbreakable. Look.
That got here. We'll throw it. Here, you want to record, Brandon? Record me throwing it.
So, guys, this is the abandoned caravan. So, it's Yo, it's all the way up there, and we have a hook somewhere.
The hook's over here. This kind of thing over here. It's what we use. I made a video a couple of years ago on a different channel. It's called Gavin Smith Go Thingy. It was about me and my brother. He was playing Fortnite with his mates. I recorded him, showing my room and all. It wasn't a full-on house tour. It was just a start video. Anyways, here he is. He's got to hook it. There's a hook. Nope. Here.
No, wait.
Hide the camera.
Wait. You bending gum.
Can you
Right, be careful because this guy come down and snap my finger.
Yeah, you had it. Camera.
Yo, guys, there's literally a scooter right here. Wait, move out the way. Yo, guys, it looks very odd with green wheels. Now, before you think this is our scooter, you're wrong, because we're at somebody's house.
Here. Right, so got the crate done, but I am talking about we broke this with I think we broke this with loads of tools and all, and we broke it in snow. I jumped on snow when it was snowing. Didn't really make any videos when it was snowing because it was
Sorry, guys, but
we can't really
videos on a sled and that for use.
But I can't really make videos now because Corona, but will because but this is a kind of video because the videos are gonna
The
see.
only reason we're out is because we're stepbrothers and legally we can hang out. So
And the
I know we
videos
don't look alike, but I've got a different mum to him, the same dad.
Yep. But basically what we're going to be doing is these videos I've got to see over the past few days. It's got to be videos we recorded ages ago. We just didn't post. Did we, Brandon? Because I got my computer and all.
Coming into COVID and that, so we made as many videos as we could.
And so
oh guys, look at this.
fucking stop, boy. Got a hose for jacking off. Actually stop breaking it, man.
Put it back in.
You put it back in, you got it out. Right, but here's the trampoline. And my boy Dick, he's one of our mates. He lives in the house beside us, doesn't he? We kind of live on, we used to go into farms and all, but we used to always say we'd record in time. And yep. It's the same guy for years ago that never showed his face. Now he uses his face. How about you then?
I'm plugging these before they go anywhere.
Nah, they don't really work. They're just broke.
Yeah.
Well, I think they're broke.
No, they do work.
Boys.
Here's a new battery, so it's that we just got. I know we've left it out here and that.
I know. We only opened the thing today, so
we forgot to close it again. So
it
guys, we're gonna get power in the caravan. Shoot a video tomorrow, aren't we, Gum?
I will try. What's the lid thing? What's the lid? It's over there. We'll get it in 2 minutes. What did I get it? Bought these a few days ago. What should we get? I got a thingy. is bad because the aliens.
No.
Wait.
Look, guys. Come on.
No, because I can get like night vision on this. Right, so
These are all the
actually, guys, I might have to end it shortly because I don't. It is 5 minutes in. But fucking.
We're gonna clean the caravan up maybe and give
My
you
phone
some
effects
stuff.
haven't spent, so we don't have to close it up immediately.
But
Oh,
we're
shit.
gonna tidy up the caravan.
Oh no!
What?
Oh no!
Right.
I'm only joking, right? Let's go. Right, so yeah, we'll tidy that up tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. Yeah, we're gonna be thinking a parkour video maybe tomorrow, maybe never.
Guys, we were doing it earlier when it wasn't wet. We were gonna shoot a video, but
Really,
I
because of this
actually-
corona, we didn't really.
I had some alcohol and I fell down the hill and hit some nettles and that didn't I go.
What age are you? She's like 15, so you're.
I'm coming 15 this year. I know I don't look it, but I'm S3.
It's kinda thingy. It's kinda short because it's this thing.
I
Yeah,
wish
but
I'd grown problems to have.
Kinda high. Aye.
So guys, we can maybe go to a park tomorrow.
But you know why we're called the Diamond Brothers? It's because we always like
How many diamonds on our fingers?
Well, we only got diamonds on our fingers actually, because we've been climbing today, so we kind of hear diamonds. But yes, ages ago when I didn't have my phone on me, what is it we did? Ages ago when I never had my phone on me and it wasn't wet, we were climbing.
Sorry guys, I'm
Aye, but it's basically just a video explaining why we're not going to be having loads of videos of it. Because we're only going to have loads of videos of it.
if you go to my channel, Random Parts,
We have brown heads like
I'll do some like demo week stuff over there, so I'll restart the game tomorrow and maybe do a wee game video before I go out and do some parkour.
I might do an Uncharted video.
Yeah, but my siblings won't be at home, so you won't see them.
But if I'm doing an Uncharted video tomorrow,
Now, if my cousins come down one day, he won't be there because he's going to school.
I don't know.
You don't
I'll be with my dad. You'll be with your dad. Remember?
know. Well, we've got some dad, but you mean I'm with my step mum and dad.
You'll be with, basically aye.
So I'll be there playing on my Xbox. I have a PlayStation 2.
I'll be singing on. He's got his own channel. To be honest with you
but
boys.
I might do a workout tomorrow too.
Should we tell them the thing? Should we tell them the truth?
What?
I don't know actually thingy.
But you do have the same dad.
Yeah. Right, so basically, yeah, we do have
Very
this,
dark up here.
we do have the same dad.